Imagine waking up one day, checking your investment account, and seeing 7 figures. Not because you won the lottery, not because you started a business, but because you made smart, consistent investment decisions over time. In this video, I am going to share the exact steps I followed to become a millionaire through investing from mindset to method. No fluff, no hype, just the real process that works. Stay with me, because this could change your entire financial future. Before we dive in, hit that like button if you're ready to grow your wealth. And don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell, because I drop real financial game every week. Let's take control of your future. Part 1: Mindset Shift. Think long term. The very first thing I had to change was how I thought about money. Most people think investing is about getting rich quick. But real wealth comes from patience, discipline, and time in the market, not timing the market. I stopped chasing the next hot stock or trying to day trade my way to riches. Instead, I asked myself, what if I could build wealth slowly, steadily, and without stress? That shift in mindset, from gambler to builder, was the foundation of everything. Part 2: Starting small but consistent. You don't need a lot of money to get started. I began investing with just $100 a month. That's it, my first moves. Opened a Roth IRA, set up automatic monthly deposits, invested in low-cost index funds like Vanguard's VTA and S&P 500 ETFs. Even when the market dipped, I stayed consistent. Dollar cost averaging was my secret weapon, buying a little each month, regardless of price. Over time, that $100 month became $300, then $500, then more as my income grew. Part 3: The power of compounding. Let's talk about the real MVP of investing: compound interest. At first, my money grew slowly, but after 5 years, I started seeing momentum, and after 10 years, that momentum turned into real wealth. Because every dollar I invested made more dollars, and those new dollars made more dollars. I wasn't just earning returns, I was earning returns on my returns. That's how millionaires are built, not in one leap, but in thousands of quiet steps. Part 4: Diversifying the right way. As my portfolio grew, I diversified. Here's what I invested in: 60% in index funds like BTI, VOOG, SPY, 20% in dividend stocks for passive income, 10% in REITs real estate exposure, 10% in growth ETFs or sector-specific funds. I didn't chase crypto or penny stocks. I stuck to what I understood, because consistency beats complexity every single time. Part 5: Learning and adapting. I didn't know everything at the start, but I learned as I went. I read books like The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham, Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel, and I watched videos just like you are now. Knowledge became my edge, and I kept applying what I learned. If I lost money, I didn't quit. I adjusted and moved smarter. Part 6: Ignoring the noise. The media wants to scare you. Your friends want to time the market, but I stayed focused. I didn't sell during crash. I didn't panic when the news screamed recession. I zoomed out, stayed the course, and let the system work. That's the secret. Don't try to outsmart the market. Try to outlast it. Conclusion: the real reason I became a millionaire. I became a millionaire through investing, not because I was lucky, not because I was smart, but because I was consistent, disciplined, and patient. I treated investing like brushing my teeth, a daily habit, not a big event. And now, I have options, I have freedom, I have peace. And if I can do it, so can you. If you made it this far, I want you to comment below: I'm building wealth. Let's build a community of silent millionaires. Like this video if it gave you clarity. Subscribe and turn on notifications. I'll keep sharing the roadmap to real wealth. Share this with a friend who needs to hear this message. And remember, start small, stay consistent. Let time do the heavy lifting. This is how millionaires are made.